Hello everyone, this is Amber from Missing Packaging. We are specializing in mold packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. It is produced by repressing process and made from sugarcane paper material. One side has a matte texture and the other side is smoother. We use all biodegradable materials which can completely evaporate and degrade within 3 months. The color of the paper tray is the original color of the raw material. Because our paper tray is zero pollution, zero emission, and the wastewater can be reused. Let's take a look at the tray, which has tunnels around the edge for better adaptation to the product. We design each product from a sample so that the glue fit perfectly. The thickness of the tray is very small. So it doesn't take up too much space for you to store. If you are interested in this product and you have inquired about it, just feel free to contact us. We are offering free design advice and free shipping. Thank you.